the snake over there on the electricity pole. It is the snake, and I don't know how would I killed it, but it's into the snake pit, and oh no. Morning, welcome to day 9 to sort it myself. So today, like, I have started my video on the on the same location. Like yesterday, I had ended of my video from here, and today I'm starting the same day like that. So finally, motor has came like this, and we had like arranged a very low, not a low, but very low, but it's also a rest of part is 8 to like 6 of them, and after that we will put it over there in this the runout of the water from this well, and it's a 8 a.m. in the morning, and because of that I can't able to turn on their motor because of the winters, and the pipe of this motor is like how to say, like as a rigid kind of it, rigid or stun, yeah, stun we can say, I can say, sorry, stun kind is a like that, and it is not good like whenever I touch it, so it's a very 100% chance of to break to anywhere, and then again I will have to manage. So I don't want to do it happens with again, so that's why I will wait for 9 a.m. something like that, and after that I will start up then, and meanwhile we arrange this motor in here, and it has 4 days done for like uh, from the other sides of farms there's no rest of any kind of water, and recently we put it the garlic on a bed, like the putted garlic, and the garlic must be needed water, but the problem the main is thing. So this is my day 9, and this kind of things work is going on all the day, no, not for all the day, and this day, and after that we I dump I will turn the motor, and over there will has like dump the water here. So this kind of things is going, and yeah, and nothing to do today in special, yeah. And one thing, I I started one book, the main I think, written by Osho, and it is a very good like you love yourself the most purity. You are not the robot, and like you are not the robot, and also there's a one like elastic word. So this is a very meaningful of things, like whatever you want to do, please do it, because this is your life, and no one like how to I say, like, yeah, this is your life, and whatever you want to do, please do it, and don't be like think too much, like what's the people says, what is the your like human being like that will say this is the people, this is the socialism, and we're not from them. We I did lot of things as far as like sorry so far, like the same like that to untie my buffaloes and throw out the dunks and something like this kind of things I did it, and then I came here to check the water quantity in the this well, how much, sorry, yeah, how much water is there, and after that I will turn on the motor, and the main thing is that. And
1 hour later.
welcome back. So now again came here, like again दोबारा और दोबारा like आया हूँ इधर, like in this P, like इस मटर में खाद फोकने का बाकी था. It means like it had to be it to be has done by the fertilizer in this farm, and because of why why we didn't spread the fertilizer here, because of that there's a lots of VD and like in this farm, and that's why we didn't spread the fertilizer here. मेरे को कुएं से निकालना है, तो पहले तो मुझे इससे दो फ़ायदे ये होंगे कि पानी में मतलब जो यूरिया है वो घुल भी जाएगा, एंड द सेकेंड इन यस्टरडे, बट द मेन रीज़न, सो This kind of things are over there. So I put it my phone here. Like I don't have any kind of a tripod or something, but this is my improvisation. It means like a desi jugaad. So this is my desi jugaad. I took a source like to this jugaad and this improvisation. So everything is a good perfect, but in a like sorry, I had watched some clips. So in that clips, I think my face like only my nose and mouth and the middle part of the area it had visible over there, but another part is before I spread the fertilizer. इतना मुझे करके और मतलब इतना फूक के वापस से मोटर स्टार्ट करनी है इस जगह पर, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मॉर्निंग है और द प्रॉब्लम आई ऑलरेडी हैव टोल्ड यू लाइक द थिंग एंड या sometimes like I speak in English, so it not mean like I'm a like a enthusiastic of a English person like of that, not like that, but I'm here only for shoot like film by itself and try to like overcome my fear to front of speaking in camera and and also like that. And not I'm not kind of a mentor and every day I'm not speaking English और हाँ मेरी इंग्लिश में कहीं कहाँ गलती भी होगी, कहाँ क्या बहुत गलती होगी हो तो, क्योंकि I'm like a learner of English, not a good at English, but yeah, day by day, little bit, that's right. So the another thing is that जो चारा है वो अभी तक पूरा मरा नहीं है. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट मरा इट मीन्स लाइक दैट नॉट अ टोटली क्लीन इन दिस फार्म एंड देयर इज़ अ वेरी माइनर चांस ऑफ जो लाइक हो सके मतलब वापस से लग जाएगा, क्योंकि इसमें ऑलरेडी मुझे कुछ 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 परसेंट चांस है कि वो फिर से उग जाए, मतलब लग जाए. तो ये है. उसके बाद फिर मोटर का काम करना है, ये अदर थिंग्स. तो मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ लाइक मेरे डेली ब्लॉग की I'm any kind of mentor, any kind of a learner of any language and anything जो मुझे आता है like definitely I will share with everyone know those who are watching me and whenever like I would come in anyone feed, so so like that. So it's not matter कि मैं इंग्लिश से बोलूँगा हर टाइम, it's not that. So any video in front of the like 4 and 3 people, most of video I shoot in a solitude, like in a solitude and a tranquil place and yeah, serene kind of things area. And like I have a little bit hesitation, like in front of anyone. So 1 hour later, I'm here and you can see the snake over there on the electricity pole. It is the snake, and I just came here for I don't know why. So like I don't know it's visible or not, but there is the snake, and it is a very huge, like as a lengthwise it's a too huge and it still is going very slow. This kind of things happens most of time, I don't know. I'm trying to gesture like this in my finger around. It's a very black and actually I'm not sure about the yeah no it's again. Now you can see over there in this I don't know if it's visible or not, but yeah, there's a snake you can see over there, and it tries to enter into this kind of snake pits like a holes in this here, and I'm totally scared, like I'm only around far away from here. Like you can see it's trying to enter into the pit. I don't know how would I killed it or that, but it's enter into the snake pit, and oh no, this is another problem of here. 1 hour later. So yeah, very good afternoon, welcome again. 10 minutes to go 3 p.m. And I am again doing this irrigation process in this area, and just a while ago I have seen the snake and also recorded, so I will attach the clip of that one. And also here the monkey on the, like, what is the say what is the say, they are like उछल रहे हैं. I don't know what is the thing, but yeah, they are like एक डाली से दूसरी डाली पे कूद रहे हैं. बट मेरे कैमरे में वैसे भी नहीं दिखेगा बिकॉज द video quality of this cam phone is not as per the standard, like it can be visible of to this one. So yeah, but I can hear of their sounds of like छलांग लगाना, like एक डाली से दूसरी डाली पे कूद रहा है. So this kind of thing is going on. Yeah, and yeah, we fixed that motor जो like past 5 days, like 4 or 5 days something, it had out of service. So yeah, we put it over there, and I didn't make any video of the, well, when we were putting the motor over there. So it's a little bit hesitation, and I hope whenever I will upload my video you definitely like of this. I don't know like or not, but yeah, इतना इरिगेशन करने के बाद वापस घर जाऊंगा क्योंकि जो वोल्टेज है मोटर के वो टोटली ड्रॉप हो चुके हैं एंड लाइट के. एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि मुझे उस साइड के एरिया में मतलब इरिगेशन करना है, वाटर इरिगेशन. एंड the motor is not giving the water as per the standards. It's too much time, is a like little bit lengthy process for me, and that's why I will go to the another farm and arrange the sprinklers again, because it has been 4 and 5 days something uh, over there hasn't gone any
2 hours later.
Hi, good evening. Now it's like 4:15 something like, and yeah, this is my evening, and I didn't shoot anything meanwhile of there to here, and I came here like I have changed the sprinklers, and just I came here. तो बात ये थी, ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि लाइक ज़रूरत के हिसाब से लाइक चीज़ें बदल जाती है. जैसे अभी मोटर आज ठीक हुई एंड वो डल चुकी है इसमें. तो ये हुआ कि जब उधर पानी नहीं गया, समझ लो 3 या 4 या 5वां दिन है शायद, 5 दिन हो गए. तो 5 दिन के बाद आज मैं उधर गया था, लाइक क्योंकि जब वहाँ पे कुछ आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है किसी चीज़ की, और किसी भी लाइक आपका कोई काम नहीं है वहाँ पे, काम क्या, नो वर्क फॉर यू फ्रॉम देयर, सो डोंट नीड टू गो. और आज मोटर ठीक हो गई और आज डल गई, तो आज मुझे जाना पड़ा. तो ऐसे ही कुछ बातें जैसे आप समझ सको मेरी इन 2-3 लाइनों से, तो इट्स मोर बेटर. एंड along with this I would like to say goodbye. So it was my day 9 to shoot itself, and yeah, okay, I will meet you tomorrow on day 10. Stay tuned and take care.